Hey guys, it's Larry, and it's time for another Plan With Me video. This is for the brand new year. Happy 2019. It is here in, 2 days? So here is the PDF file that I am using. This is a beautiful free planner kit from Planner One Love, and I will have a link for her below. She does some beautiful work. I've showed her artwork before. This is a refurbished kit from similar to what she did last year, but it has been updated for 2019, and it is just stunning. Really, really, really pretty. Look at those balloons, and the champagne is so cute. So I have downloaded her PDF. I turned it into stickers via my Cricut, and this is what my stickers look like. How cute! I have my functional boxes that I make for myself for social media. I did the Happy New Year, the weekend banner, got that champagne bottle in there. Really, really pretty, some washi. And I'm getting ready to get started. I did pick out some washi that I may be using. I don't know if I'll use one of these, a combination, or maybe none at all. So if you want to see how this turns out, then stick around. We will get started. Okay guys, so once again, these are the stickers that I'm using. The kit's from Planner One Love. It's called New Year 2019. And thanks again for being here. If you like this video and you like the layout, please don't forget to give a thumbs up before you leave, and leave questions and comments. We do have that big giveaway still coming. I know I've promised. I'm almost back on track, and I think I'll have that in about a week, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to go ahead and get started and start playing around. Pull out your planners and your stickers, and let's have some fun. I'm going to turn on the music. I've got my tropical iced tea ready to go. So let's get started, guys. guys, so this is it. I am all done. What do you think? I think it's gorgeous. I really, really like it. I'm not such a big fan of this washi tape, and I've had it, I think it was like a Recollections brand, but it worked out perfect, I think, for this layout, so I was really happy I was able to use up some of that. I've still got plenty of space for my functional stuff. Here are the stickers that I have left over, so I have some task lists that I will use throughout the week. I have one extra gold box, and then these are usually used for appointments or meetings that come up throughout the week, and well, there's one more box there. So these I will keep in my planner and use them as I fill things out, but this is it for the Before the Pen. I think it came out lovely. I love her artwork. Please do check her out if you haven't seen her yet. She makes beautiful printables. They're almost all free. She has some pay what you want planner stickers that you can, make a donation based on, what you can afford. So check that out as well. But I'll have links for her below. Happy New Year. I hope you are ready for a great 2019. And please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the new year and in the next video. Bye, guys. Remember, please always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you soon.